Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through C1 Advanced Keyword Transformations, exercise number CAE052. Let's start with number 1. The original sentence is, a phone call was the first we heard about them withdrawing from the concert. The keyword is pulling. And the second sentence is, the first we heard about blank of the concert was a phone call. The correct answer is, the first we heard about them pulling out of the concert was a phone call. The sentence uses a gerund form, pulling, to describe the action of withdrawing from the concert. Them pulling out accurately conveys that the phone call was the first notification of their withdrawal. Another example, the first I heard about him quitting was an email. Moving on to number 2. The original sentence is, we need to run or the train will leave before we get there. The keyword is time. And the second sentence is, unless we run, the train, blank, we get there. The correct answer is, unless we run, the train will have left by the time we get there. This structure, will have left by the time, indicates that the train's departure will occur before our arrival, if we do not run. It emphasizes the sequence of events clearly. Another example, unless you hurry, the store will have closed by the time you arrive. Next up, number 3. The original sentence is, you really must stay for dessert, Charlie's brother said to him. The keyword is staying. And the second sentence is, Charlie's brother, blank, for dessert. The correct answer is, Charlie's brother insisted on him staying for dessert. The phrase insisted on him staying demonstrates strong encouragement or demand for him to remain for dessert. It effectively captures the original meaning. Another example, she insisted on me attending the meeting. Moving on to number 4. The original sentence is, a massage would do you a lot of good, Jake told Amy. The keyword is from. And the second sentence is, you blank a massage, Jake told Amy. The correct answer is, you would really benefit from a massage, Jake told Amy. The phrase would really benefit from highlights the positive impact a massage would have on Amy. Another example, you would really benefit from a good night's sleep. Let's move to number 5. The original sentence is, even if it's very far, they want to go to Paris for a weekend break. The keyword is may, and the second sentence is, far, blank, they want to go to Paris for a weekend break. The correct answer is, far though it may be, they want to go to Paris for a weekend break. The phrase, though it may be, indicates that despite the distance, their desire to go to Paris remains. Another example, though it may be expensive, they are determined to buy it. Next is number 6. The original sentence is, the town's population surrendered as soon as the enemy arrived. The keyword is than, and the second sentence is, no sooner had the enemy arrived, blank, surrendered. The correct answer is, no sooner had the enemy arrived than the town's population surrendered. The phrase no sooner had than is used to show that one event happened immediately after another. It emphasizes the quick surrender of the town. Another example would be, no sooner had the alarm rung than the students rushed out. Moving on to question 7. The original sentence is, this building stands a very good chance of being closed as unsafe by the council. The keyword is highly. And the second sentence is, its blank will be closed by the council due to being unsafe. The correct answer is, it's highly likely that this building will be closed by the council due to being unsafe. The phrase highly likely that this building indicates a strong probability that the building will be closed due to safety reasons. Another example would be, it's highly likely that the event will be cancelled. Finally, number 8. The original sentence is, another student stole Carol's watch from the classroom. The keyword is had. And the second sentence is, Carol blank by another student from the classroom. The correct answer is, Carol had her watch stolen by another student from the classroom. The phrase had her watch stolen shows that Carol was the victim of theft, with her watch being taken by another student. Another example, Barry had his car stolen last night. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.